Ranpak, the global leader in environmentally friendly packaging solutions, is launching the next generation of protective paper packaging, FillPak Trident. Trident is a versatile packaging solution serving both void fill and blocking and bracing applications. With its unique, patented triangular pad shape, Trident offers superior protection with less paper when compared to traditional protective paper packaging options. Using Trident could potentially reduce your paper usage by 15% or more. Also, significant labor time savings can be realized by using Trident paper when compared to airbags. It features an HMI touchscreen and 5 operation modes so that users can quickly navigate and utilize custom packaging solutions and preset modes. With the ability to tilt the head up to 90 degrees, the user can select the optimal position for their specific packing environment.
FillPak Trident is the next generation in void fill protective packaging for Ranpak. Trident brings technology to the table that allows a very significant improvement to yield. We wanted to make loading as easy as possible and require almost no training, and that leads to a significant value increase for our customers.
Ranpak is the first and only in-the-box packaging company to focus exclusively on paper. All our materials are green. And with zero plastic involved in the process, Trident is a far more sustainable choice than traditional packaging options. FillPak Trident by Ranpak, spearheading the future of protective paper packaging.
3G Packaging today, and one of our experienced account managers will help you with all of your packaging needs. We guarantee a refreshing commitment to customer service.